1000 LB Sisters star Amy Slayton has once again shocked her loyal fanbase by reaching a surprising new milestone in her personal life after months of rumors, speculation, and heartfelt confessions on and off screen. The TLC personality, who has been a household name since the show premiered, has faced one of the toughest journeys in reality television history, going from battling severe obesity and a troubled marriage to stepping into a completely different chapter of life alongside her new partner Brian. Now, with reports swirling about Amy embracing a so-called new baby and hitting an unexpected milestone with Brian, fans are rushing to social media to celebrate, criticize, and wonder what the future holds for her and her family. For years, Amy Slayton has been one of the most relatable reality TV personalities because of her ability to wear her heart on her sleeve, whether she was laughing at awkward family moments, struggling with health challenges, or breaking down in tears during some of the most vulnerable scenes on 1000 LB Sisters. The Kentucky native entered the show alongside her sister Tammy as part of an ambitious journey toward weight loss surgery and long-term health improvements, but viewers quickly discovered that Amy's story was about much more than a number on the scale. She opened up about her dreams of being a mom, her longing for stability, and her struggles with a marriage that eventually collapsed under the pressures of fame and change. Amy's marriage to Michael Hultman had once been portrayed as her fairy tale ending. They welcomed 2 boys together, and Amy frequently shared her joy of becoming a mother, something she once thought would be impossible given her size and health issues. But as time went on, cracks in the relationship began to show. Viewers and fans who followed the family online noticed less warmth and more tension between Amy and Michael, until the couple ultimately split. It was one of the most heartbreaking chapters in Amy's journey because she had tied so many of her hopes for a new life to that marriage. When Brian appeared on the scene, fans were skeptical. Was Amy rushing into something too fast? Was she ready for a new relationship? But as more details emerged, it became clear that Brian was offering Amy something she hadn't had in years: emotional support, patience, and an understanding presence. He was there not just for Amy, but also for her children, which instantly shifted the dynamic and sparked countless debates in fan forums about whether he was the right man for her. Amy herself, however, seemed happier than she had been in a long time. Her social media posts showed smiles, laughter, and more confidence, and she openly referred to Brian as a source of stability. The buzz about a new baby threw gasoline on the fire of fan speculation. Was Amy pregnant again? Was she considering adopting? Or was the phrase simply symbolic of a fresh start with Brian? Different outlets have reported different interpretations, and Amy has teased the subject in ways that only increase curiosity. Some insiders close to the show suggest that the new baby reference may actually be about Amy and Brian embracing a new pet together, a milestone that represents building a home as a couple while still respecting Amy's role as a mother of 2 young boys. Others, however, are convinced that Amy may be preparing to expand her family again despite the challenges that come with juggling motherhood, her career, and her own health. What cannot be denied is that Amy reaching a shocking new milestone with Brian has fans rethinking the trajectory of her story line. Reality television thrives on dramatic arcs, and Amy has provided plenty of them over the years, but her newest chapter feels less about spectacle and more about healing. The milestone itself, whether it is an engagement, moving in together, co-parenting milestones, or even welcoming a symbolic new baby, marks Amy's ability to start over after heartbreak and trauma. For a woman who once cried on camera about not knowing if she would live long enough to raise children, every step toward stability is a victory. The timing of this development is especially striking because Amy's sister Tammy has also been going through dramatic changes in her own life, including weight loss, surgery, and public appearances that show her transformation. Together, the sisters have become symbols of resilience in the face of overwhelming obstacles, and Amy's new milestone with Brian underscores how different their paths have become. Tammy's story has centered on reclaiming her health after years of dangerous living, while Amy's has shifted toward creating a new version of family after heartbreak. Yet both stories intersect in their shared theme of survival and reinvention. The milestone has also reignited conversations about how much of Amy's private life should be shared with the public. Fans love her authenticity, but some have expressed concern that she may be rushing through life events for the sake of headlines or storylines on TLC. Supporters argue that Amy deserves happiness and stability however she chooses to find it, and that after all the criticism she has endured, she has earned the right to celebrate her victories without judgment. Critics counter that too much change too quickly could overwhelm her and her children. Social media has exploded with commentary since news of the milestone broke. On platforms like Reddit and Facebook fan groups, viewers are debating what exactly the new baby refers to and what the milestone could mean for the next season of 1000 LB Sisters. Some fans are excited at the idea of Amy and Brian taking the next step, saying that Amy looks happier than ever, while others worry about the challenges of blending families and navigating new responsibilities. One of the most emotional aspects of Amy's story is the impact on her two young sons, who have already experienced the instability of divorce at such tender ages. According to insiders, Brian has been making an effort to bond with the boys, showing patience and kindness in ways that have impressed Amy's inner circle. This may be the true foundation of the shocking milestone, Amy realizing that she has found someone willing to not just love her but to embrace her role as a mother. For a woman who has fought so hard for the chance to become a mom, seeing that role respected and supported by a partner is no small victory. In many ways, Amy's latest chapter highlights the broader themes of the 1000 LB Sisters franchise itself. The show has never just been about weight loss, it has always been about survival, family, and the fight for dignity and self-respect in the face of crushing odds. Amy reaching this milestone with Brian after having her so-called new baby signals growth and determination. It represents her ability to start over, even after setbacks, and to keep reaching for the happiness she has always wanted. The coming months will likely reveal more details about what this milestone actually entails, and fans will be watching closely to see how Amy and Brian's relationship continues to unfold. For now, though, one thing is clear, Amy Slayton has stunned the world yet again with her resilience, her openness, and her ability to keep moving forward no matter how many times life tries to knock her down. Her shocking new milestone with Brian is more than a headline, it is proof that even after the darkest chapters, new beginnings are possible, and sometimes a new baby is not just a child but a symbol of hope, healing, and the chance to start fresh. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.